I'm financial free because of the VIA course that I attended.
My plan is to retire my parents.
I just want to gain more knowledge instead of stay at home.
For me, it would be very much understanding more of how to be able to create and get passive income.
How do I find about VIA? I've been searching for courses on YouTube very long already. I keep going back to Cayden's VIA course, their testimony on the ground, and I find that Cayden is a very on-earth person.
So then we decided to come as a family to see what it is. I think my favorite part is the way they teach. Not many lecturers know how to really deliver the contents, how it's spoken. It's very different with Cayden and with Ali. He made it as simple as possible.
Yeah, he gave us a very simplified knowledge that we could able to apply on our own. Coming to this course, I realized that it's real and I will do it. And once I do it, my friends will ask me, oh, you're very free. Yes, I say I'm financial free because of the VIA course that I attended. And I just love it. I will continue to introduce this course to my friend.
In a nutshell, for me, would be very much VIA is real. So you get to learn a lot.